Did you know that the longest attack of hiccups lasted for 68 years? A man named Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 after lifting a hog, and he did not stop until 1990. He hiccuped an estimated 430 million times in his life. He lived a normal life, got married, and had children, all while hiccuping every few seconds for decades. He finally stopped just 1 year before he passed away. If you hate getting hiccups for just 5 minutes, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more medical mystery facts.